Hi guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to be looking at some die cracks, specifically on the 5-cent coin. So today I'll be using this little contraption here so I can zoom in and show you the very fine die cracks. And I'll be pointing out with a bent paper clip, so just because they're so fine. So I'm sorry about the blurriness that may happen as I try to hold it still, but we'll see how we go. Alright, so each coin I'll be showing you will be upside down like this, and this is the correct, this doesn't have a die crack, so this is just purely just to show you exactly how it's meant to look. And then I will show you in a moment some coins that have some die cracks, particularly near the SD, so up the top there. So sorry about the shakiness, but yeah, we'll try and show you as best we can. Alright, so this first coin, you can see right up there next to the SD and at the bottom of the 5 is a fine crack. Now if I bring this in, hopefully it doesn't go out of focus, but you'll be able to see that right around that area there, you'll be able to see a fine die crack running through there. I'll get up nice and close there and show you that there. See if I can zoom in a bit. Yes, we can. And you can see that there, that's the die crack. So it gets better. There's some very good examples I'll show you from here on. So have a look at that one there. You can see the die crack up the top there, and then you can see this massive crack that's formed a cud, and this particular area is actually called the Flamingo. And so by holding it upside down, you can see why it looks like a flamingo, the head of a flamingo there. And yeah, so that's only on the 2001. I say only, but I have actually found this on another coin, the 2006, where it certainly had a flamingo style cut on it, formed by the die crack, but certainly not to this extent. So yeah, keep an eye out for that one there. So I have a few more other coins to show you from different years that also have a die crack as well. That's a 2014. You can see a very fine die crack right next to the SD there, and it does flow through. If you can follow that line straight through, if I can hold it still enough, you can see that crack continuing. This one here is on a 2006, so I'll just flip that over, and you can see a similar die crack that was on the 2014 is going through there. Now sometimes you can pick these up with the bare eye, the naked eye, but certainly better to use a magnifying glass. It certainly will help you pick these kind of things out. The next one is from a 2003. There is a very fine crack there as well. Okay, very fine, but it is there. Now this coin here is a 2001. Now this is the only one of this particular coin that I have seen or found. Now you can see there the die crack next to the SD, and then flowing on the other side of the 5 there. I'll try and point it out. And we're going right there. You can see it flowing through. Now the cool thing about this coin is the fact that it has a rim cud. Now I can't actually show you the whole thing in one shot, but I'll try to. There we go. It's got a rim cut as well, and it finishes there. So it is a big rim cud. So this has certainly got the double error there with the flamingo as well as the rim cud. So yeah, keep a close eye out for this kind of error. These certainly sell for $10 plus. So yeah, turning $5 into $10 is pretty awesome. And the 2001 is the one to specifically look for. If you find them on other coins, they may well be a new error. So look out, die cracks can happen on any coin, remember. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video, and please leave any comments in the comments section, and hit the subscribe button and like if you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.